Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are making this awesome acrylic pour using a sink strainer. The colors will be in the description bar along with a link on how to mix your paints. And if you want to see how I layer my cups, stay to the end of this tutorial. I just poured a white base and I am just spreading it out along the canvas before I do my pour. So I'm just going to pour my paint in my sink strainer and I'm just going to go around the canvas and kind of make random designs. I'm going to take my torch lighter and go around the canvas and remove any air bubbles. And now it's time to stretch this. You just want to go front to back, side to side. I'm going to try to get rid of a little bit of this brown in the corner. I'm noticing a lot of cell action going on. I did use silicone mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm using my torch lighter to go around my canvas again to remove any air bubbles, and also it's going to bring up some more sails. If you want to see how this painting looks dry, stay to the end of the tutorial. Here is the final painting. Look at all the sails. You can find me on Instagram at timariedesigns. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. See ya!